welcome to Tian's Data Cafe. So thank you for clicking into this video. So here in this video I'm going to talk about what is Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate. Okay, so if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and share if anyone is a data analytic aspirant near you. Okay, so in this video what I'm going to talk about is if you are planning to start your career in data science or data analyst, then this certificate will be your stepping stone for that. Okay, so this Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate is a course in Coursera platform, so where it's kind of like affiliated by Google. So in the star rating you can see that it's kind of like 4.8 star rated out of 5. So they say that it will take 6 months to complete this course, but that's what Coursera claims. But as I already have this certificate, I can say that if you can spend like around 1 hour per day, then you can complete in kind of like 2 to 3 months. Yeah, for me it's hardly took like around 7 or 8 weeks. Okay, the language of the course is actually English. So this is a beginner level course, so where prior experience is not required. So if you are a person with no knowledge in data science, yeah, you can start learning by enrolling yourself into this course. Okay, and it's kind of like 100% self-paced, and Google and Coursera claims that this is a job ready certificate. That means it is a professional certificate, so where this gaining this certificate will make you something equivalent to that of a guy holding a 4-year graduation degree. But I'm not sure how much that is kind of like claimable, but this will give you a knowledge that can get you into an entry level data analyst. Okay, the skills what you will gain is spreadsheet, data cleansing, data analysis, data visualization, SQL, questioning, decision making, problem solving, metadata, data collection, data ethics, and sample size determination. Okay, so here some of the testimonials. So here is a guy called Fazilar. The instructor was very articulate, and the content is very feature rich. Because yeah, as I already have got the certification, I have to say that the quality of the content in this course is really outstanding. Yeah, it's kind of like the one of the more best online course that you could ever see if you are trying to start your career in data analytics. Okay, so this is a professional certificate, as I already said, and this is not any one course that comes with one certificate. Okay, this is a combination or compilation of 8 certificates and 8 courses. Okay, to gain this one professional certificate you have to complete kind of like 8 segregated courses. The first course is foundation data everywhere. So in this course you will be learning like an introduction to data, what is data, where is data, how data will be, so what are the forms of data that you can see, this kind of a thing. And the second thing is ask questions to make data driven decisions. So here they will teach you like why data analysis is required. So how data analysis will help business to grow, and what is a part of a data analyst or a data scientist in an industry, a data driven industry. Okay, so prepare data for exploration. So here they will teach you how to collect data and how to use data and how to keep it. So here process data from dirty to clean. So once you have collected your data, so there is a process called cleaning the data. So cleaning the data and extracting the required data what we need. So that's what you will be learning in the 4th course. Okay, and the 5th course what you'll be having is data analyze data to answer questions. So here you will be using that cleaned resourceful data into analysis, and yeah, there you will be having a question, you will be analyzing the data to get an insight about the question. So and the 6th certification, share data through art of visualization. So here you will be learning how to visualize the data what you have extracted. And the 7th thing is R program. So here they will teach you how to use R programming into data analysis. So where in special cases you have to create your own snippets in data visualization and plottings. Okay, and then 8th thing is it will be a capstone project where Google will guide you to do a data analytics project that will give you a hands-on experience. So that's what all about Google. So once you have completed all these 8 courses, Yeah, you will be getting a professional Google career certificate from Coursera and Google. Thank you guys. So hope